I'm at BMW of Wesley Chapel to get my new JCW exhaust, and here's going to be here's a look at what the damage was before. Walking over to the car right now. Flames up on the top rack. Hey Josh,
Yep.
Hey Josh. Alright, don't mind me. If you don't want to be recorded, just let me know. This is for my YouTube.
Okay.
So if I remember, Josh, it was the obviously the exhaust and the what, I keep forgetting what you call that. That was
the heat shield.
The heat shield that was the only thing that was left from last time, right?
The heat shield's right there, and this is the exhaust system that we're going to be putting in.
And what was this again? I forgot. I think that was going to get.
Yeah, this is the heat shield. It's right here.
Right. Okay. So that was what was going to. I'm trying to remember what was going to get replaced because it's been a while. It's been 3 months now, as you know, right? It's been a long time since I waited for those parts. Okay, so that's the new heat shield right there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, and that's just a protection. Okay. So I guess this is the new exhaust system, and I'm guessing this is that the little button that comes with it? Oh, so it kind of looks kind of nice. Okay, so it looks nice anyway. That's the main thing, right? Yeah, I don't want it to kind of look. Right, yeah. I know it's a show, but you know, it's not. This is not something I do very often.
No worries.
This is probably my first. Oh, you hear that noise? Yeah, first mechanical upgrade, right? I've done all the decals, the tail lights, all cosmetic changes.
Sure.
You know, I wasn't planning on doing this, but I ran over what you call a very large truck tire in North Carolina, and my car just literally leaked off.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm glad it was just the underside and nothing else.
Yeah, it was just. As you can see how quite bad that was. So obviously, the good news is there was no mechanical damage. It was all cosmetic in terms of the exhaust system still functioning, right? Mm-hmm. But I figured, you know what? If I don't upgrade it now, I'm never going to do it.
Correct.
We got to that point, so. All right. So hopefully this will look a lot better once it comes down. Alright. Oh, can you have it up on the lift so I can see the underside as well?
Absolutely, yeah. I think he's going to start it for you first, then he's going to lift it up.
Okay. Oh wow, I love that looks nice again. Now I was going to ask a question on how to keep them clean so they don't get like in the other side. Wow, those look amazing. Oh, the button's right there, okay.
Yeah. So you can hold that, and then I'll just go ahead and start it up.
Oh, so I can sit back here and do that. So it's wireless from this point, right?
Yeah. Click it 2 times, open it, click it 2 times, and it'll close it.
Okay. Okay, I don't know if I'm recording at the same time, so it's a bit tricky on it. I don't know if I did it right. Oh, okay. That's right. I'll do that again. So it's just the one on the right then, right? Did they boost it both? It's just the one on the right? Is that? Okay. I guess if I'm on the road, you're going to hear it a lot more, right? exhaust. Okay, I guess the phone number, right? Just need to get used to it. You know that. I have to get used to it.